Good morning, traders. Welcome to the week. We could have a slow day of trading here on Monday, where the data flow doesn't really pick up until tonight, where we have the rate decision by the Bank of Australia, which could affect the yen and the Aussie pairs. And then things kick up again on Tuesday with the GDP report out of Australia, and then the fireworks on Thursday with the ECB and the Bank of England interest rate decision, followed Friday, but of course non-farm payrolls. So we could see today just a little bit of continuing of this slow, gradual drift sideways. Euro JPY, still check the midnight trading, even though I don't even consider doing it anymore, it seems like. The Euro JPY basically did not produce any entries. Well, it did produce an entry. If you look at these trend lines here, it looks like, no, it flirted there. It would have been a judgment call right at 2 o'clock. But it looks as though the pair would have still been consolidating. But let's look more importantly at the Aussie USD. This pair on the 1 hour chart, where we trade our cow trades here, we had the entry on Friday at looks like 2 o'clock Eastern time. We had the entry to go short at 121.97, and we know we had to close the first part of it out actually no, that was on Thursday. Anyways, it looks as though this trade did close out because we had the short here at 102.19. We pushed down here towards 101.15 the last night. So we have a nice plus 100 on that trade, and we'll have to put updated for the week now because everything is closed. The only trade that, well, actually I'm flat at the moment, but the only trade that would even be triggering at the moment is if you want to take this Great Britain pound short. Wanted to take it after that big drop on Friday, which came in with a short around 105.16. With the 50, it looks like the 50 pips would be around 105.66 for a close. Obviously, I held on this because normally after big moves like that, you normally get a retrace of about 50 fib on that trade. But we'll have to see. So sideline completely at the moment, and I'm not scalping because it's Monday. Let's see what we have in the Euro USD, just in case anybody is curious. The Euro USD is still short from the short move on Friday at 130.74, and you can see that the pair is just consolidating in this zone. Let's look at more of a fundamental, I guess it would be a technical look at in the pairs and see what I think we have going down in the let's start out with the Aussie USD because this trade is pretty interesting. You can see that the pair bounced very well off the trend line support last night around 101, let's say 101.15, and now the cross is up 30 pips from there and is fighting its first level of resistance, which comes at past support at 101.45. We'll see what we get there, but if it does cycle above that, we could see a push all the way back up towards this 101.80 level in the short term. And in the Great Britain pound USD, you can see we have this consolidation after breaking below the trend line, but the first target is going to be this 149.50 area, followed by, let's see if we can get it to show up here. Yeah, 149.50 area. There we go. The 149.50 area, followed by the 147.90 area. So we'll have to watch the price action at these levels. And in the Euro USD, it's all about a hold of this zone right here. We break that, we could be off to the 128.80 level in the short term. And this bull bear zone is between 130 and 130.30. The Euro JPY, like I said, just seems to be consolidating. Could make a push back up to the top of the range at 122 today, but at the moment there's not much to do. The CAD still continuing solid move higher, but 103.62 and 102.15 seem to be capping the pair. And the New Zealand USD, very interesting trade. Basically, completely set up exactly what I said we wanted. We'll push back up towards the trend line there, and now has pushed all the way down to 82. That would have been a bunch of 100 pips, and it has created another lower low. So we do see a rebound here. We could rebound again up to about this level, and it could continue to lower low, and lower highs. Trading conundrum. So you can see, and also the USD JPY still range bound in this range. Maybe not much to do in this pair at the moment. You could look for a retrace of the move on Friday, which would get us down towards the 92.73 area if that does occur. All right, everybody, good trading. Good luck trading. Let's make some pips.